Hi, I'm Jacob Marquez, founder of AI Commerce Systems. We create practical, no-hype guides to help e-commerce operators choose and implement the right AI tools that actually improve operations and scale their stores. In our full written analysis on the AI Commerce Systems website, we published a deep dive operational review of n8n. In this video, I'm bringing you the key insights, real e-commerce workflows, strengths, limitations, and clear guidance on whether n8n is the right automation layer for your store. E-commerce operations now manage 10 to 20 separate SaaS tools: Shopify for orders, Klaviyo for marketing, Stripe for payments, warehouses for fulfillment, and spreadsheets for everything else. Each new tool adds another integration point and manual workload. Order routing, real-time inventory sync, abandoned cart logic, review requests, and daily reporting all become bottlenecks. Labor costs rise, errors increase during peak seasons, and 24/7 reactivity becomes impossible without extra staff. Workflow automation platforms solve this by decoupling business logic from individual app APIs. n8n stands out because it gives full control, predictable costs, and deep customization. n8n is a fair code workflow automation platform that lets teams build, orchestrate, and monitor complex processes across applications. It combines a visual editor with full code extensibility in JavaScript and Python, native AI agent capabilities, and over 500 core integrations plus community nodes. You can run it completely free and self-hosted with unlimited executions, or use paid cloud plans. For e-commerce, it acts as a self-hosted automation layer and AI-augmented orchestrator that sits between your storefront and all other tools, giving you data sovereignty and predictable scaling costs. Every automation in n8n is a visual workflow built with nodes. Triggers start the process, Shopify webhooks for new orders, cron schedules for reporting, or webhooks from any app. Then you add logic with if nodes, loops, error handling, and retry policies. Actions connect to 500 plus native nodes, or use the HTTP request and code nodes for anything else. AI agent nodes can make intelligent decisions by querying data or calling other tools. The entire workflow can be self-hosted on Docker or Kubernetes, giving you complete control and no per-task pricing. n8n's power comes from 5 practical strengths for e-commerce. First, unlimited executions when self-hosted, so costs stay predictable at high order volume. Second, deep code extensibility with JavaScript and Python nodes for anything native nodes can't handle. Third, native AI agents that can analyze data and make dynamic decisions. Fourth, strong real-time Shopify webhook support and error/retry handling. Fifth, full data sovereignty and compliance flexibility because you control the infrastructure. Here are 4 practical workflows e-commerce operators run with n8n. 1. New Shopify order webhook triggers routing logic based on product tags or location, then syncs inventory across warehouse and dropshipping partners. 2. Low stock detection using an AI agent that analyzes sales history and sends reorder recommendations to Slack. 3. Abandoned cart recovery with dynamic personalization and Klaviyo triggers. 4. Daily financial reporting that aggregates orders, flags anomalies, and pushes clean data to Google Sheets or accounting systems. These orchestrations save hours per week and reduce costly errors. n8n's biggest strengths are unlimited executions at predictable cost, deep customization, native AI agents, and full data control. The main limitations are the steeper learning curve for non-technical teams, maintenance of self-hosted infrastructure, and more visual clutter in very complex workflows. Compared to alternatives, Zapier is easier for beginners but gets expensive at scale. Make offers strong visuals but no self-hosting. Pipedream is developer-focused but lacks enterprise governance. n8n wins for teams that want control and scalability without exploding SaaS spend. Final verdict. n8n belongs in your stack as the central orchestration layer if you run a scaling Shopify store, multi-channel operation, or agency handling multiple clients, and you have some technical resources or are willing to invest in them. It delivers real-time savings, error reduction, and revenue protection at a fraction of the long-term cost of cloud-only tools. Avoid it if you're a solo, non-technical owner looking for zero-maintenance simplicity. Stick with native Shopify Flow or simpler platforms. For the complete 2,000-plus word operational analysis with even more detail, check the full article linked in the description. Thanks for watching this n8n review. If you found it helpful, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next automation breakdowns. Drop your current automation stack or the next tool you want reviewed in the comments. I read every one. I'm Jacob Marquez with AI Commerce Systems. See you in the next video.